Alright guys, what if I wanted the player to activate a UI element, just like that, right? So the player walks into a trigger and any sort of canvas pops up that, says whatever, maybe directs me to any sort of object, open me, I take my thing and drag it in place, and it disappears when I walk out of the collider. Cool. So let's figure that out. Alright. So I'm just gonna delete whatever I just created. I'm gonna delete this as well. So you'll be given two scripts called VRTriggerUI and also 2 points line. Alright, so first I'm going to create an empty game object. Call this tooltip. And I'm going to reset the transforms and then hold down V. I'm going to drag that to wherever on my object. I'm going to now create another empty game object, call this line renderer, which gives us that like line that comes out that connects to the panel. And then from here on the line renderer, I'm going to add the component of the line renderer, right? And you can see that gives me this like weird thing over here. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the width 0.009 or something, and I'm going to attach the script, where was it? 2-point line system. Okay. Now from the line renderer, I'm going to create another empty game object, call this point A, and then from the line renderer, actually nope, wrong. From the tooltip, I'm going to create the point A, and then a point B, and then in the line renderer, I'm going to now attach the point A and attach the point B. And you can see on my point B, if I drag out the move tool, you can see it automatically connects to my tooltip game object. And then don't worry about this, clear. And from the line renderer, I'm going to just change the color to whatever. Make sure that's set full. Okay. And the material, I want to, actually I have the material here as the, I'm just going to put energy cube here. Right. So you can make your own material here. Alright, now from there, on my point B, maybe I'm just going to drag that here. On my point B, I'm going to create a UI canvas. And on the canvas itself, I'm going to change the render mode to world space, change the position X, all these top transforms to 0, and then the scale, I'm going to do 0.001, 0.001, 0.001. Okay, and then from the canvas, now I can kind of manipulate it to wherever I want it to be. I think that's fine right here. And now from the canvas, I'm going to create another UI panel. And from the panel, I'm just going to hit the source image as none and change the color to the same color as my line renderer material and turn up the opacity all the way. But maybe I want to make this just slightly more pretty, so I'm going to actually duplicate the panel, and I'm going to call the first panel outline, and the bottom one as background. Okay, so the background will be completely black, and I'm going to change the transforms from left to 5, top 5, right 5, and bottom 5. And you can see I get this nice little blue outline here. Maybe I want to just make that a little bit more prominent. 7, 7, oop, 7, 7. Oh, there we go. Nope, not 4, 7. Cool. There we go. That's a little bit prettier. And from the background, now I want to create a text. So right click, UI, Text Mesh Pro. Call this Open Me. Right, whatever kind of makes sense to you. Gonna make sure that that is in the center. And I'm just gonna now bring that up, the alignment to the center and in the middle. Perfect. And there goes my canvas, right? So now I want to set up a trigger to activate it. So 3D object cube, 3D object cube. Have that kind of spawn right as soon as I enter close to the cabinet. Turn that off, make sure the collider is trigger. The script will be VR trigger UI. The UI element will be the entire tooltip and the XR origin. And from there, that should be it, right? Hit Control S, save project. Let's test it out. Oh, first, also you want to turn off the tooltip, right? So that when we first go in, it doesn't show up. So, putting on my headset. Okay. Going to hit play. Okay. There I am. When I walk in, there it spawns. Nice. And this could be used as like a little clue to whatever puzzle that you have in the game, or to just direct the player, or, you know, to have some, you know, Easter eggs or something. Pretty cool. Open. Nice. Close. Alright.